I'm Carl. I'm here to show you how to modify your GoPro camera by changing lens to a one with less fisheye effect and less distortion. If you want to do this modification, it's on your own risk, and if you don't know exactly what you're doing, you might damage your camera or get yourself injured. This is a sequence that I shot with the original GoPro lens. As you can see, there is a prominent fisheye effect and lots of distortion. This is what it looks like when shooting with the new lens. In my opinion, the quality is much better. Here is the new lens next to the GoPro camera. The lens is called Sunex dsl355a-650 and the aperture is 2.8. First you have to remove the battery and the memory card. Then you remove those 4 screws and open the cover. Then you remove those 3 screws. The one to the left might be a bit tricky to spot, but if you take a close look you will find it. And after that you can remove the front cover and there is your lens. It might take some force to remove the lens. I think they have used blue Loctite or something similar. But I used my heat gun and then it was a lot easier to remove it. This is what it looks like when your lens is removed. After that you put your camera together before you mount the new lens, otherwise the front cover will not fit. And finally mount the new lens and there you are.
Subscribe!